So the time now is 6:15 evening, but as you can see, there's still light. So by the way, tomorrow I'm gonna pour this stormwater drainage wall, which is this one here, from here up to there, and then the next one is the boundary wall, the remaining boundary wall, which is this much. Yeah. So that's about 200 mil length, and also I'm gonna pour this subsoil drain up to this level. So maybe that's about 2 buckets of builder's mix, which is about 18 liters. So I've done the shutter of Formworks today, and this is the level. And then after this, I'm going to strip after 3 days, and then do the next stage, which is from this level here. You can see that mark up to here. So basically it is inclined. So that's the next stage, concrete. And then after that, the last stage would be from here up to about 30 mil above this peeling, which is inclined. But this is like a beam. It is protruding about 40 mil from the peeling wall, and this is about 20 mil at the back. Alright, so we see what's gonna be the weather tomorrow. Hopefully we don't have any rain tomorrow, so I can pour this schedule areas to be poured tomorrow. Alright, friends, that's all I can say for now, and see you tomorrow, and God bless, and bye for now. It's beautiful weather. Okay, thank you. God bless.